Hello guys, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Money on Click is hiring through us. First things first, this hiring is only for experienced candidates. But watch this video till end so that you will come to know what companies are expecting from experienced professionals. So they are hiring for software engineer, and coming to eligibility is BE BTech any stream from 2012 to 2018 batch. Why this much of gap is because they are looking for experienced professionals. So let's talk about the salary part. So salary they are offering 8 to 15 LPA, which depends upon your previous experience, and the job location is in Bangalore. Let's see what they are looking for. So they are looking for software engineer in backend and even in front end. So for backend they are looking for 1 to 6 years of software professionals. They should have strong knowledge of object oriented programming concepts. They should have bachelor or masters in computer science or computer engineering or related work experience. They should have knowledge in data structures or algorithms and an understanding of design trade-offs. And the last point is strong knowledge in at least one of C++, Java or Python. So coming to the front end, they are looking for 2 to 6 years of experienced professionals, and they should have proper knowledge on HTML5, CSS 3.0 and JavaScript. And they should have bachelor or master's degree in computer science or computer engineering or related work experience. And they should have proper knowledge in data structures or algorithm. And the next point is strong knowledge in at least one of JavaScript frameworks like React.js or AngularJS, and should have strong analytical skills and ability to discuss complex concepts with technical peers. So let's talk about what's on offer. Opportunity to be part of core engineering team of a promising startup solving one of the biggest business opportunities in India. So if you got hired, then you will be part of this core engineering team. And next point is unique opportunity in building a fintech business from scratch using most of the related technologies and integration with major players. And the next point is opportunity to experiment with latest technologies and develop full-fledged product using them. And obviously stock options and competitive salaries. So literally if you are from a basic startup, or if you are working for a small organization and looking for a bigger growth, or if you have 1 year or 2 years experience in this relevant field, this career option is absolutely for you. And frankly, from your second year or third year, 8 to 15 LPA is a very good option in India. And coming to the interview process, first round is communication round, and the second round is 2 technical F2F rounds, which is face-to-face interview. And the third one is manager or HR round. So this is where negotiating of salary, everything will happen in this round. So I'll keep this link in the description below. If you are eligible for this, do not lose this opportunity. Do apply and attend the interview and crack it. So guys, we are coming up with more different jobs for different category people. So all the best for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.